Hi, welcome back to the next Ask Alan. Well, a question that you guys have is how many times should I be following up on a lead? That's a great question. The short answer is this: at least one more time than you are now. And what I mean by that is I work with wedding pros all over the country, actually all over the world, and trying one more time than you were before can get you some leads that were cold and then become hot again. So think about this. Don't give up so soon, because by the time they've reached out to you, they've eliminated most of your competitors. They like what they've seen and heard, read, watched about you, and they put you on that short list, and they made the inquiry. Right? When you get a message through Wedding Wire or the Knot, or through your website or through some other way, they are taking that first step. But a lot of steps happen before that to filter you down to this short list of people that they think are a good fit. So don't give up so easily. I just had the other day, one of my clients, I did a masterclass, and we talked about trying one more time. We had a follow-up session, and somebody came back and said, you know what? I reached out to some people that had gone cold, and they are apologizing to him for not having gotten back to him. Because there's this thing called life, life that gets in the way. So I tell my clients to try at least 5 times. I've written about that. You have it here in the book. Why don't they call me? 5 times. The day you get it as quickly as you can. The next day, try again with just a simple message at the top that says, just wanted to make sure you saw my message from yesterday. And then the same thing that you said before. If they're still not responding, especially if you're emailing them, maybe they're just not seeing them. Spam filters, the promotion filter folder in Gmail, all kinds of ways that they may not be getting them. So try a different method. Text, call, some other method. You still don't hear back, wait a couple of days and send one line. Are you still looking for? But remember, your subject lines are important if they're emails, and make it fun, friendly, and in your voice. So are you still looking for a fun DJ to make your wedding great, right? Or are you still looking for a venue to wow your guests when they arrive? Right? And if you still don't hear back, try something else a little later. I like to try a little humor, something with a bullet list like, hey, you've reached out about having your wedding here or having me officiate your wedding, whatever it is. I haven't heard back. I can only imagine it's one of these reasons. Number 1, you've chosen someone else or chosen another venue, whatever that is. We wish you lots of luck. Number 2, you're so glad I reached out again because you'd love to speak to me about, and then some results-based statement, capturing your beautiful wedding images. Number 3, you'd like to speak to us, but you're busy now, want me to reach out again in a week, 2 weeks, whatever it is. And then number 4 would be something funny like, I did one that was C3PO and R2D2 are not responding was the subject line. And then what I said for number 4 was Imperial forces are storming your outpost and you want me to use the force to save you. So something fun, something like that gets them to stop and go, you know what, I should respond to her or I should respond to him. So the short answer is try at least one more time than you were before, maybe a different method. And the long answer is my clients are trying at least 5 times, some of them even more than that if the wedding date's further out. They reached out to you. Don't give up so soon.